A, B, C, D, A, F. This is a short video for the Dutch and Frisian letters A to F. For a longer video, including native Dutch and Frisian speakers, from A to the letter G, I'll link in the description. First, the letter A, not A like a dentist, A. And this one's easy to remember. In English, when we're teaching children how to read and write, we have the alphabet and we associate that with different objects, with different pictures. And we'll have things like C is for cat, D is for dog, and it's A is for apple. So we've got a picture of an apple, and it's easy to remember, apple. So in Dutch and Frisian, the first letter is A as in apple. The rest, it's pretty easy. It's B, C, D, E in English. And that has that common E sound. In Dutch and Frisian, it's a common A sound. It's be, say, de, a. The same beginning as English is for Dutch and Frisian. It's b, e, s, e, d, e, just E. In Dutch and Frisian, it's b, a, s, a, d, a. You know your B, C, D, E with that E sound. In Dutch and Frisian, it's an A sound with be, say, de. And if you want a mnemonic to help you remember, it's A as in what Canada does, A. Now the last letter is the letter F. In Dutch and Frisian, it's a little bit shorter. You can say it just like you do with English. It's just a tiny start change. It's F with a more abrupt beginning. But you can just use the regular letter F in English. And that's fine because nobody goes around just saying the alphabet. These don't associate with words, with actual sounds. It's not a one-to-one mapping. Just like in English, we don't use A as that sound whenever we use the letter A in words. So it's a little bit more complicated. So this is just to help you learn that first handful of letters in the alphabet. It's, again, A as in apple, be, say, de, A, and F. I hope this helped.